Hi, my name is Alexander von Schlieffen, and I would like to invite you to join me to get a look at the wonderful, amazing world of astrology. Astrology becomes more and more socially accepted, and many people are into it nowadays. And this is due to the fact that we are living in the middle of a huge change of two epochs, and this is something none of us has ever experienced during our lifespan. So with astrology, we get a complete different perspective on what is happening in the world right now. And according to the coming epoch that is evolving, and we are just right in the middle of a transformation and a transition, astrology can become a very important language for the future, because the future is about the astrological element of air, and air is about networking and cooperation. And the language of astrology is about the connection between the personal life and the life on planet Earth and the life of planet Earth with the solar system. So it's a language of connectedness. And many people and more people, first of all, know not only their sun sign, but also their rising sign nowadays. And more people start to be interested in a different perspective on what's happening in the world and are looking for possibilities to cooperate. But there are also many ways you can learn astrology. And we have developed a version that is based on a very elementary understanding of the basic language, which is the zodiac. So the 12 astrological signs and the 12 houses and the quadrants. The quadrants are an analogy to the 4 seasons. And if you look at the zodiac, it's basically nothing else but a description of the big life cycle that we call the year. We also have the small life cycle that we call the day, and both are based on nothing else but just the circulation of planet Earth around itself, and circulating around itself, it circulates around the sun. And when you have a good understanding of the foundations of a language, whether it's music, writing, economy, or astrology, then you can start to develop your knowledge easier, and you can start to play earlier than if you don't have a solid foundation. And in this course, we will really look at the meaning of the 4 seasons and the 4 quadrants. And it's about the 4 different ways of relating to the world. The first one is the relationship to ourselves, which is something we should not neglect, because we pretty often neglect that. Then it's about our relation to our tribe, to the family, and the way we relate to tribes and groups later in life. Then the third one is about our relationship to other people, our partnerships. And partnerships are not only husband and wife and whatever partner, it's also what we relate to in terms of a topic. So if I'm an astrologer, I have a partnership with astrologies. And the fourth is the relationship to the world, to the cosmos, to society. And it symbolizes the consequences of our decisions. And once you look at a chart this way, you get a very clear structure of the zodiac. And this is the foundation of the beautiful language of astrology. And don't worry, it's not going to be complicated. The only thing you have to bring is a bit of passion and curiosity. So I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.